Smoke alarm installation locations. The following are the minimum locations where smoke alarms must be installed in Queensland. You can also install smoke alarms in other areas of your home for increased coverage and additional peace of mind. Smoke alarms must be installed on each story, in each bedroom, and in hallways which connect bedrooms and the rest of the dwelling. If there is no hallway between a bedroom and other parts of the story, a smoke alarm must be installed between the bedroom and open areas connecting bedrooms. If there are no bedrooms on a story, at least one smoke alarm must be installed in the most likely path of travel to exit the dwelling.